Baik, saya mulai. Om Swastiastu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Firstly, I would like to deliver my highest appreciation for the opportunity to share the idea or share our experience in Bali, which is I'd like to deliver idea, the concept of Samsara Living Museum as a strategy to develop cultural base rural resources potential. Next. This is a bit information about Karangasem Regency as the Eastern Regency of Bali Island. Maybe next. With so many challenges, we don't call it's a problem, but it's a challenge. The first is we are a bit far from the main access of Bali Island. We need about 2 or 3 hours by car to go to Karangasem. And the second challenge is our low human development index. Before, our position is the last position compared than another regency in Bali. And also 87% of our areas is dry land. Our local income is also very low, maybe 1 compared 30 with another regency in Bali, for example, Badung Regency in the southern part. And also Karangasem is a disaster-prone area because we have a Mount Agung, very, very active. In last 2 years, also we have a volcano in Bali. So this is our challenge. That's why next, in our mind, we need problem solving, which is the problem solving is should be out of the box. We cannot do the mainstream to lead the development in Bali, even to be same with another regency. So our problem solving is call it destination branding. Later we would like to share a bit about destination branding. Next. So we do some process. The first step is we assess our potential with the horizontal scheme. We assess as many as possible what is our resources. And then the second step is we decide what is our vision. And the third step, we are arrange what is the strategic to implement or to achieve the vision. Maybe next. So this is the conclusion. Finally, after we do some step, maybe about 2 years, start from 2015 until 2017. Finally, we have a conclusion, which is if Karangasem would like to be at least in the same position with another regency in Bali or Indonesia, even sometime we able to leading, we should have a really specific positioning. We cannot compete with another regency in Bali or Indonesia if we don't have an exact positioning. So after that, after the program, finally we decide our positioning is Karangasem, how to make Karangasem as the authentic of Bali. Because nowadays, if His Excellency Ambassador or distinguished guests come to Bali, especially in southern part of Bali, maybe you will not feel anymore deep feeling how's Bali before so this is the advantage or the opportunity that we would like to take. How's make the Karangasem as the authentic of Bali. Next. And this is one of our strategic, how to make the Karangasem as the authentic of Bali is create an umbrella program and name it Karangasem Living Museum. So the meaning of this program, or the purpose of this program is next, is how to make all activities of the people, all of the areas, all of the resources, including heritage, agriculture, cultural, also natural, ecological, humans, and also spiritual, is become the content of the living museum. So anytime people come to Karangasem, everywhere they will feel the real of Bali, the authentic of Bali, because our people organically, or participately will contribute, the feeling, the atmosphere, how the people feel the Bali a long time ago. Next, and then maybe next, we need to create one quick win, quick win, so the people able to know or visualize what is the essence of the concept of Karangasem Living Museum. So we decide to make a quick win, name it Samsara Living Museum. Next. Samsara Living Museum meaning is the circle of Balinese life. The circle of Balinese life start from the baby still inside, apa mungkin Pak Noam istilahnya janin bahasa Inggrisnya.
Unborn, you do good.
When the mom pregnant, when the woman pregnant, we have two kind of ritual. The first ritual call it ngerujak. The second ritual call it megedong-gedongan. Maybe next. Later I will continue explanation about the circle of Balinese life. But basically our mission and vision is how to share, how to develop, what is the essence, what is the value of Balinese people that make Bali special until today, as a worldwide tourism destination. So the strategic is how to develop, how to discover, how to conserve, make a conservation, preservation, and another activities to express what is the essence or value of Balinese people. Next. Next. And then finally we do the strategic a bit detail, so we have the value dimension. There are 8 dimension. First dimension is preservation, second dimension is conservation, and then education, playground, learning center, tourism destination, entertainment, and also cultural innovation. So in Samsara Living Museum, we do at least 8 dimension, to divine or to discover, and also finally to share what is the value or our idea to the people. Next. And also we are devised the square, the square of the Living Museum to be 8, to be 9 also. The first is main display, and the second is museum gallery, also demo gallery, workshop area, and then open air space. Taman Upakara is the garden or the field for a secret plantation. Because in every step of Balinese, the circle of Balinese life, it's always contain the secret plantation. And dining area, restaurant, and cafe, also merchandise shop. Next. And also every visitors, or people who would like or interest to visit the Samsara Living Museum, we already have the exact experience journey. So we able to know or decide every people who's come to Samsara Living Museum, after that they back to their home, they will have a really great experience. So we should decide as detailed as possible what they should do and what the feeling they should get from the experience. So maybe from the experience in the red point that I explained before, there are at least 14 steps of Balinese life. Start from the woman pregnant, and then born, and then grow, and then finally die. And then after die, they will born again or reincarnation again. That's called samsara, or the circle of Balinese life. Next. If we would like to share what is the main strategic that we use to menyesuaikan Noam to Pak Noam untuk
adjust
the value with the global issue, which is the worldwide now, or all countries now is concerned to implement the concept of sustainability, especially in COVID-19 situation, is we are divided to be three. The first is next, Pak Noam, is we talk about environment. So we do so many activities, including education, get literacy, kemudian conservation and preservation. Next, some of our activities is to take as many as possible information or alliteration from the manuscript. Lucky us, until today we have so many manuscript, like the picture in the right up, upside of the right, that we call it lontar in Indonesia, and then we get as many as possible information from the manuscript and then implement it, actualized to our actual life today. Also in the left picture, that is we identify as many as possible plantation which is related with sometime like a wellness activities, wellness tourism, or also a traditional medicine. And we also do so many discussion, sharing workshop with the so many expert people, who knows the history and also how to get same values in today's life. Next. And also we are now back to use the natural resources and try to minimize the plastic use. So in Samsara Living Museum, we do the zero plastic concept. All building, all tools, all activities, we use the natural material, like stone, like bamboos, like even soil, we build again our local content, Next. And the second strategic is social and cultural, including cultural innovation, learning center, playground, and entertainment. Next. In this field, we do so many collaboration. We call it pentahelic, Actually, there are 5 forms. I'm sorry. Government, academician, community, and then business, also media. Some picture we collaborate with some of minister of the Republic of Indonesia, including the Minister of Cultural and Education, Minister of Tourism, Minister of Small Medium Enterprise, Minister of Rural Development, and others. And then next. Especially in pandemic situation, we also do some movement. The first movement is we create a hand sanitizer with the local liquor or local alcohol material. in Bali we call arak, ya, because in Bali we have so many home industry that produce local liquor or local alcohol. On that time, when the alcohol or hand sanitizer is really expensive, really difficult to find, so in our community we create our hand sanitizer with food grade quality using the raw material from arak or from local alcohol. Also, we do so many food sharing, yeah, to make sure the people still have a good collaboration between them, yeah, and another activities. Yeah, next. This is in the past, yeah, before the COVID, we do so many festival, so many seminar, so many sharing, yeah, or workshop to develop the resources in our area. And the last initiation is we are also develop e-desa ecosystem, or in English maybe e-village ecosystem based on digital platform, yeah, including the e-commerce. So all resources our Philip is possible to sell to another people worldwide. Yeah, next. And in the last aspect is economy aspect. We are do the tourism destination activities development and also facilities and product development. Next. Yeah, there are so many activities, people in our area, which is before they are really not confident. What they have is a special thing. But after we initiate the Samsara Living Museum concept, finally they are have again their confidence to share what they are able to do. What is the ritual, the daily life, the tradition, they are can share, and finally, this is to be the economical generator. Yeah. Next. Yeah, this is some product that our people produce. Yeah, in a very short time they are developed, and there are two programs also that we produce after COVID. The picture in the right side, yeah, in the up. That is traditional Balinese meeting. So nowadays, the Samsara Living Museum is to be one of choice for the meeting incentive convention exhibition venue, but with Balinese traditional way, yeah, or a meeting concept. And also the picture that in the right side, in the bottom, that is one of our concept to create work from home, but now they are able to work from Samsara, yeah, because we believe after the COVID situation, the people habit that they do work from home now, later they will work from the destination or work from the interesting place. So we already provide some idea for that. Next. Yeah, maybe Pak Noam, you can go a bit fast. We have so many activities in the museum, like visit museum. Next, we also have water blazing, yeah, because in Indonesia we believe, yeah, there are some environmental influence to our body, yeah. So our body become more healthy, more fresh. Next. Also cooking class, and then local alcohol making. Next, we are also do Balinese dance lesson and also offering making. Yeah, this is also related with our spiritual activities. Next, next. Yeah, we also create some package, which is the people come to Bali for honeymoon. We are provide honeymoon blazing with the Balinese way. Next, yeah, soul reflection. Next, food and beverage services with a traditional taste or presentation. Yeah, next. Yeah, this is some local food and local fruit. Next. Yeah, this is the way our people something like fine dining. Yeah, but with really unique or traditional system. Yeah, next. Yeah, and also lucky us, one of indicator that the people worldwide really interest with what we are doing in Samsara Living Museum is last year, yeah, before COVID, yeah, 2019, the Miss Universe finalists from 15 countries, they are come to Samsara Living Museum and do reunion, and where they are also do some initiation movement, which is related with the beauty of sustainable nature, culture, and heritage concept. And then next, we would like also share some result, yeah, after the destination branding program, yeah, and also we execute some initiation like living museum. Finally, the tourism visitation to Karangasem is increased 300% from 2015 to 2018 and also 2019. I will update the data. I'm sorry. Next. And because of the tourism visitation is increased, there are also good impact for many sectors, including the poverty, ya, pengangguran apa ya, unemployment, ya, decrease the unemployment, and then also reduce the malnutrition and other. So this is the result after 3 years. Finally, the area we name it Karangasem, which is before is very challenging. Now this is blessing us. Yeah, we grow well. Next. Yeah, I think that is a bit information. Yeah, share it from the Samsara Living Museum. Hopefully, this information is yeah, to be a reference for everyone here. And once again, thank you for the opportunity.